You have probably seen gurus promising that you can earn a lot of money by watching YouTube videos. You know what I'm talking about. Earn $1,223 for watching YouTube. Get paid to watch $698 per day. Earn $1 every 30 seconds from YouTube by watching videos and much more. I have watched dozens of those videos during the last 3 years. And today I will tell you the truth about those fake gurus. In the end I will also show how I made money watching videos online, and then a better way to make money on YouTube that I am also using myself. Just to give you an idea before we get started, here I earned $3,449 in 1 week from just one income source. And here I earned more than $11,000 in 1 month from the same income source. And if you follow the method that I use to make money on YouTube, you will get money from many income sources at the same time automatically. If you don't know me before, my name is Roope Kiuttu. I'm the founder of a popular YouTube channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day to make money online all around the world. And on this channel, Top Journey to Freedom, and inside my program that goes with the same name, I help people like yourself to make money on YouTube all around the world. And now let me tell you the truth about those make money watching YouTube videos fake gurus. There are 4 types of websites that these fake gurus are showing you. Let's start with the first category and then we will go through the other ones. The first category are fake websites. So oftentimes when you watch these videos, they show you websites that are not going to pay you anything. They are like scams or something like that. One of those examples is this WinTab. And here you can see this Cash Pro channel is promising that you can get paid watching YouTube videos on this. First of all, it's not even a new website, even though it claims here, and then it's a complete lie, because I have created a video about this already back in 2021 and it was a scam already back then. If you want to learn more details about it, simply watch my video right here. But in a nutshell, you should not use this kind of fake websites. And this is just one example. There are many websites that claim you that you can make a lot of money by watching videos online, but then they turn out to be scams and they don't give you a single dollar. In the worst case, you will lose your money as well. Then the second types of websites are these link shorteners, RinkMe, AdFly, OK.io, so on and so forth. And the famous YouTube liar Dave Nick says here, earn $800 watching YouTube videos, and so many other people have created a similar video trying to mislead innocent people like yourself. They tell that you can earn a lot of money using RinkMe, even though they haven't used it themselves and they haven't even tried. And I have already exposed their lies in my previous videos, but let me just show you now the hard facts. So how much money people are really earning on this website. I have real hard numbers right here, so let me show you. Here I have around 383 users who have been using RinkMe since 2020. And I can show you how much on average people have been earning on this website. Keep in mind, some of these people have been using this website for 2 to 3 years already. So let's take a look. So we have this available balance, $4.45, and I have earned that one purely from this test where I see how much other people are earning, because I earn 20% of the referral earnings, and I have in total 383 referrals, as you saw. And in total they have earned this number times 5. So let me show you the numbers. $4.45 times 5. So this is what all of my referrals have earned on this website. And you saw here that there are 383 referrals that I have in total. So we divide this by 383. We come to the conclusion, on average, my referral has earned less than 6 cents on this website. Can you imagine? And keep in mind that you need to have at least $5 until you can cash out money. In other words, we can come into a conclusion that out of 383 people, maximum 4 people have been able to cash out money, but it's also possible that 0 out of 383 have been able to cash out money. So just think about it. If you would be listening to these fake gurus on YouTube like Dave Nick, who are claiming that you can make a lot of money here, you would be wasting a lot of time, and that time you could have channeled into making real money using real methods that I show on my YouTube channel. So be really careful with those fake gurus. They are just going to waste your time, and in the worst case scenario, they will also waste your money. Soon I will show you a real way to make money online watching videos that I have used myself, and then I will show you even a better way to make money that you can see here. Paid me more than $11,000 in 1 month just from one income source. Now the third types of websites that these fake gurus are telling that you can earn a lot of money watching videos are so-called micro job sites or micro work websites. Here is one example, micro workers. Then another one is Pico workers, and then also many other ones that I have reviewed on my YouTube channel. Here is, for example, my micro workers review with 35,000 views, and people are absolutely loving these videos. Because I tell the truth that if you use these websites like micro workers, Pico workers, or another micro job website, you cannot earn a big sustainable income, especially if you are just watching videos. Yes, you may earn some cents by watching videos, because sometimes on this website some YouTuber may create a job that you need to click like and comment on a video. By the way, that is against YouTube rules. You are not even allowed to do that, but some people do it on these websites, and then they may pay you a couple of cents. However, if you would 100% rely on those types of jobs, you are definitely not going to make a sustainable full-time income, hardly even some pocket money, because usually there are small amount of offers like that. First of all, because it's against YouTube rules, and second, it's not usually a smart way for creators to pay others to do that, because organic views and likes and comments are much better ones. Now that you have learned that you shouldn't waste your time on fake websites, on link shortener website, or on micro job website if you want to earn good money. Now I will show you how I have earned good money watching videos, and then I will show how I have made a life-changing income on YouTube. So here is one popular video on my YouTube channel, how I earned $67 in 1 hour watching videos online for free. And here's what people are saying: I did this too and will pay the promised rewards immediately. Thanks, Rope. So people have been receiving money. Thanks, Rope. As always, your honesty and integrity is on point. More power, man. Bro, seriously, if there is anybody I can believe when it comes to online business, you are number one. So you can see that people have been receiving money with this method, and they know that they can trust in my advice. The money making method that I showed here, that my subscribers already earned a lot of money by doing that, is called Coinbase, and it works in more than 100 countries worldwide, in Africa, Asia, America, Europe, all around the world, but not in all 200 countries. So there are still a handful of countries where this specific method doesn't work. But then there is another way how I earned around 15 euros, $15 while I was exercising in the gym in, like, let's say 20 minutes or less, and that is Revolut. They had also a similar learn and earn crypto rewards, and I was immediately able to convert that money into government currency, so you can of course do that one as well. This one doesn't work yet in all countries, but then if you want to make money everywhere in the world, then you can get my Easy Money Apps guide that I give for you as a free gift. You don't need to pay me a single penny for this. I give this for you as being my YouTube subscriber. So here are many websites where you can make money watching YouTube videos. But keep in mind that watching videos in general, it doesn't pay a lot. And even though it might pay it well, as for example my example right here, or my example on Revolut, they paid pretty fast, pretty well, but they were one-time offers, so I cannot make a sustainable income. So now I will show you a better way to make money on YouTube. The money-making method that I use is 2 steps in a nutshell. And before I show you those 2 steps, let me show you the actual proof that it works. Here is one income source. You can see that I made right here $4,100 into 7 days. You can see the record day here was more than $1,000 in a day. And then there were also several days more than $500 in a day. And here I already saw that this program made more than $11,000 in 1 month. So what are those steps? So step number 1 is to come to YouTube, and then right here click this one, and then here upload video, and then you publish a video, and then you will come to another website. Let me give you a simple example with Amazon. You come right here, and then you come here, you copy, then you come back to YouTube and you click here paste. And now when you publish this video, let me show you what happens. I click here save, I open this video, and then when people click these links, you will earn money for that. Now let me show you, if somebody clicks this one and they shop something on Amazon, they buy anything on Amazon website, I earn money for that. And in the same way, you can earn money with almost every big company in the world. Amazon is just a simple example because everybody knows that, but there are websites that pay you much more money, as I just showed you. Here I made more than $4,000 in 7 days. Here I made more than $11,000 in 1 month. This is called copy pasting links, also known as affiliate marketing. And I show you the whole process for 100% free on my channel, Tube Journey to Freedom. In the other videos, I show you from A to Z how you can create and publish YouTube videos. I show you many different channel ideas that you can do. I show you many different ways how you can earn money for 100% free. And for those of you who want to get even more hand-by-hand, step-by-step support, I have created also a program called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I go from A to Z, everything how you can start making money. For example, here in module 5, we show one-click strategy to earn money on YouTube, how to earn money from your first video, best way to earn more than $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much more. So you and me, my friend, we are going to see inside my program Tube Journey to Freedom, and in the next videos on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom.